Yo, what up YouTube EX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys. So we want to just do some fast stuff. So we're just gonna move this keyboard, get the bat knife, put it over here, move the keyboard over here. Got the mouse sitting right there, got the controller right here. And we got the package right here. So it's 3 packages in one. I'm missing one more. We have multiple packages today. Go to some other videos. I uploaded 3 more packages, 3 more videos. Then it's this, then we got more. It's just too much. All right, you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So I'm gonna unbox the quickest thing because my wife, she wants this package like really quick. So let me just give it to her and get it out the way. So it's these 2 right here. Yes, these 2 right here. And I'm gonna move this one to the side. So we just want to open this up really quick. There we go. Okay. So this one is mine and this one is hers. So this one is for her. She got the iPhone 11. Okay, this is hers. She got this one right here. This is like a silicone part. It's okay. I don't really like these type of cases, but I just got it so I can rock with something. Then I got this one for myself. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. But I like my other one that I got that's coming in the mail. Y'all gonna like the other one that I got. So yeah, this is the phone cases, and I'll be back in a few. Peace.